Good day, students. Welcome again to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School. Today we are in a class of mathematics. Topic: a special way to add by carrying over part 2, page number 48 to 50. Children, today we will revise what we have done in our previous video and we will understand the carrying over addition with the help of this video. Let's begin with our video. Children, today first we will start or revise what we have learnt in our previous video of this lesson. Shall we start, children? Let's start with 1-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers. So what are 1-digit numbers? Yes, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 9. All are of 1 digit because it has only unit place. Yes, children, these all numbers are having only unit place because it has only 1 digit number. And after 9, the number will be 10. From 10, we all are having till 99, all are of 2-digit numbers. Why? Because it has 2 places, unit place and tens place. All the numbers are having 2 places, unit place and tens place. So, we can call them as 2-digit numbers. Children, we have already understood that 10 units make 1 10. Yes, in our previous video we have understood that 10 units is equal to 110. We will revise that here also. Example, here we have taken some beads. Let's count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These beads are 17. So we will write 17 units because one bead means 1 unit. Then 17 beads is equal to 17 units. Yes. Now we will take out how many tens we have in 17 units. If you will write the number 17, you will understood that on the right hand side number you have unit place and on the left side number it will be tens place. So how many tens we have here? 110. And how many unit? 7 units. To understand that, we will take out the tens from this units. Let us count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till this bead we have 10 units. Means this 10 unit is equal to 110. Can you tell me, children, can we able to take out one more 10 from this leftover beads? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Children, we don't have 10 beads here. So we can't make one more 10 from this 17 beads. Means here the remaining beads are consist as units. Okay, means you have 110 and 7 units. from this number we can come to know that also that 7 unit and 1 10. Now we will take some example of addition to understand this concept again. Children, here we have one addition sum that you have to solve with the help of beads or dots. Here, which number you have given? That 5 plus 6 means first you have to draw 5 beads. Then you have to add 6 in that 5 beads. So we will draw more 6 beads. Now children, we will add it together, all these beads, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 beads here, children. So shall I write 11 here in the unit column? No, because 11 is more than 9. We cannot put number bigger than 9 in the unit column. Remember children, we cannot put a number bigger than 9 in the unit place. Okay, means you cannot write 2-digit number in the unit place. That is why we have to make a bundle of 10 and move it from unit place to tens place. So can we make a bundle of 10 from this 11 unit? Let us see. We have to make a bundle of 10. So we have to take out 1 10 from this 11 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means we have here 10 beads. That 10 beads become 1 10 and the remaining beads is 1 bead, it become unit. So from 11 you will get 1 unit and 1 10. So how to write here? You have to write 1 in the unit column and 1 10 in the tens column. So we will write here 1 10 and 1 unit. Like that you have to make a bundle of 10 to move it from unit place to tens place. Children, look at this picture. Here we have some dots and that dot we have to do addition. In this box we have 10 beads. So we will write here 10 units. And 10 units is equal to 1 10. Yes. Now what we have to add? 1. Here we have 14 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 unit. So 14 unit makes, in this 14 unit you can able to take out 1 10. In that you have 1 10. So what is 14 unit? 1 10 and 4 unit. Yes children, you have 1 10 and 4 unit. And you have to add with that 1 10 or 10 units. So it will become How many children? We will add it together. You will get 2 tens. Yes, 2 tens, because here we have 1 10 plus 1 10, that equal to 2 tens. And the remaining 4 unit, here we have 2 10, 4 unit, that equals to 24. Yes. Now children, I hope you understood this concept with the help of tens and units. Now we will understand how to write here with the help of numbers. We will write in the form of numbers. We have here first 10 units. So we can write here 1 in the tens column and 0 at the unit column. And we have more 14 units, or 110, or you can write and 4 unit, like this. And you have to add it together. Now we will start counting from the unit place. Remember children, if you have any addition or subtraction problem, you have to start adding or subtracting from the unit place. So what is 0 plus 4? Yes, 4. And what is 1 plus 1? 2. So like this, you can solve this problem with the help of number also, or with the help of tens or unit table also. Now we will write this as the answer. 110 plus 14 unit is same as 210 and 4 unit. Okay? I hope you understood children. We will take the next example to understand this concept. Now children, let us understand the addition by carrying over with the help of this table. Here we have the question to add 15 plus 9. So for that you have to make a table of tens and unit column. Here children, you have to understand, for the carryover you have to leave the one place for carryover, and you have to make a table like that. Now first I will fill the information in the table. Here we have the number 15. So I will write in that 15, 5 is at unit place and 1 is at tens place. So we will write 1 in the tens place. And we have to add. So I will put the sign of addition here. And the next number will be is 9. 9 is of 1 digit. So we have to write in the unit column. Now we will start to add the number from the unit column. Every 5 plus 9. So here I will draw first 5 dots. 4, 5. Now I am drawing 9 dots more. These are 5 units, and now I am going to draw 9 dots. 9 dots. So I will write here 9 unit. So what will be 9 plus 5? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means this equal to 14 unit. So children, shall I write 14 here in the unit place? No, because we can't write 2-digit number in the unit place. So we will understand in this number 14, we have 4 at the unit place and 1 at the tens place. So we will write accordingly 4 at the unit place and 1 we will take as a carryover. We will take as a carryover here on the tens column because it become 110. Now I will start counting as from the tens column. What is 1 plus 1? 110 plus 110 means 2 tens. Yes? So I will write in the tens column 2 tens. So tell me children, what is the answer? Yes, 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. So I will write the answer here. 20 means 210 is 20 and 4 unit as 4, 24. So children, like that you can add any number with the help of carryover. Children, we have here one sum of addition, 25 plus 37. So first we have to put this number in the table. Here we have 25 means 2 tens and 5 unit. So we will write here 2 in the tens column and 5 in the unit column. And you have to add with the number 37. So in 37, this number is also of 2 digit. Means 37, 3 tens. So we will write 3 at the tens place and 7 at the unit place. Now tell me children, from which place we have to start adding? Yes, from unit column. So let's start adding from the unit column. We have here 5 plus 7. So tell me children, what is 5 plus 7? 5 unit plus 7 unit is equal to 12 units. Yes, in 12 units, 12 is a 2-digit number. So we can't write 2-digit number in the unit place. So what we will do children? Yes, we will write 2 at the unit place and 1 at the tens place. Here we will write 2 at the tens place and we will carry over this 110 to the tens column. So I will write here 1 as carryover. Now we will start adding the tens column number. We have here 1, 2, 3 numbers. So we have to add one by one with each other. Here first we will add what is 3 plus 2? We have 3 tens plus 2 10. That equal to 3 plus 2, 5 10. And we have to add 1 carry, 1 10. So what will be the answer? 5 10 plus 1 10? 6 10. So we will write here 6 in the tens column. So what is the answer, children? Yes, 6, 10 and 2 unit means 62. Yes. So children, please do practice at home. I hope you understood this concept of carrying over of addition. Children, I hope you understood this lesson. Please do practice at home and like, share and subscribe our channel.